The ultimate push-up challenge. Trying different variations in one day. The ultimate push-up challenge, incorporating various push-up variations in one day, can be a great way to target different muscle groups and enhance overall strength and endurance. Before attempting this challenge, ensure you have a basic level of fitness and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any health concerns. Here's a suggested routine. Morning session. Standard push-ups. Aim for 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Focus on maintaining proper form with a straight back and engaged core. Wide grip push-ups. Place your hands wider than shoulder width apart. Perform 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Targets the chest and outer chest muscles. Diamond push-ups. Form a diamond shape with your hands directly beneath your chest. Complete 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Emphasizes triceps and inner chest. Afternoon session. Decline push-ups. Elevate your feet on a sturdy surface, like a bench or a step. Do 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Focuses on upper chest and shoulders. Plyometric clap push-ups. Push up explosively, clapping your hands at the top. Aim for 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Enhances power and explosive strength. Staggered push-ups. Place your own hand slightly forward and the other slightly back. Perform 3 sets of 12-15 reps on each side. Engages muscles asymmetrically, emphasizing different parts of the chest and arms. Evening session. 1 arm push-ups. Ready. Attempt 1 arm push-ups. Start with 2 sets of 5-8 reps on each arm. Challenges core stability and arm strength. Spider-Man push-ups. Bring your knee to your elbow during each push-up. Complete 3 sets of 12 reps on each side. Targets the obliques and adds a rotational element. Incline push-ups. Place your hands on an elevated surface. Aim for 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Provides a variation to engage muscles differently. Tips. Proper form is key. Maintain a straight body, engage your core, and avoid sagging or arching. Rest between sets. Allow 30-60 seconds of rest between sets to maintain good form. Listen to your body. If you experience pain beyond normal muscle fatigue, stop and consult a professional. Remember to warm up before each session and cool down afterward. Adjust the reps and sets based on your fitness level, gradually increasing intensity as your strength improves. This challenge is intense, so prioritize quality over quantity to avoid injury.